Hey there, friend. Welcome back to our channel.
That's right, and we're glad you're here. Today, we've got something special for amazing kids like you. We're going to share some super cool tips on how to stay focused in class and not get distracted.
So, if you're ready to become the ultimate concentration champs, stick around. Let's dive right in as we react to a message sent to us. It says, "Hey Bird, I wanted to know if you can help me with a big problem I've been having with concentrating in school. I really want to get good grades, but class can be so boring and I end up messing around with my friends instead of learning or looking at my phone, and it's just hard for me to concentrate. Can you share some tips on how to not be distracted in class?"
I can understand how they're feeling, and our first tip is keep your desk organized. A meal will have everything in place. When your stuff is organized, it's easier to find what you need without getting sidetracked.
That's right. Plus, a tidy desk can help you feel less stressed and more focused during lessons.
Tip number 2 is all about your ears. Make sure you're listening carefully to your teacher. If you miss what they're saying, you might have to ask questions later, and that can be distracting for you and your classmates.
So, keep your ears open and you'll be one step closer to being a superstar student.
So, take out time in your day when you can and use that time to stretch, take a deep breath, or have a sip of water. It helps you recharge your focus.
Our third tip is super important. It's about taking short breaks. Just like athletes need breaks during a game, your brain needs breaks during class.
Tip number 4 is about avoiding distractions. Put away your toys, gadgets, and anything that's not related to class, including talking with friends.
Friends, phones, tablets, and games can be really tempting, but they can pull your attention away from what's important: learning.
Remember, we're all learning together, and it's okay to need a little assistance sometimes.
Our final tip, kiddos, is to never be afraid to ask for help. If you're finding something too challenging, ask your teacher or a classmate for help.
So there you have it. 5 awesome tips to help you stay focused and not get distracted in class.
By keeping your desk tidy, listening to your teacher, taking short breaks, avoiding distractions, and asking for help when you need it, you'll become super concentration champs.
Until next time, bye-bye.